Hi, Beanbeauti, Dooney Bean here. How you doing today? We are in January. Hope you have a happy new year. In my metaverse, it's still New Year's Eve, but this will be going out in January, after January the 1st. So this will probably be the second, third, or fourth, something like that. But I have a fantastic, yeah, I love this one. I can't wait to show you this one. So come on back. Okay, Beanbeauties. I'm trying to pep it up a little bit. I'm doing back to back recordings today. I have 3 more DUCKmases that I have to get out. So this is my second one, but I'm starting to feel, I'm starting to feel it. I have not been feeling good because the weather has been bad and, brings everything in. And then sinuses on top of that. But anyway, blah, blah, blah. We're here for some good stuff. This one, oh my gosh, we're going to get right into it. I want you to see the front. I'm excited about this one. I've been waiting and waiting. Ready? Ta-da! Oh my goodness, look at that, right? Isn't that gorgeous? Here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, here's the other side, here is the bottom, there is the top. And yes, it's part of my tortoise collection. It's a tote. It is like a garden party, right? Isn't it like a garden party? Like a Hermès Garden Party? Let me see if I can get the information, what it's called. Okay, this is called the Vintage Dooney Bourke Tote, the leather champ with tortoise shell. And it came with a dust bag. And I looked up a little bit. It says that the champ tortoise shell is a vintage item that's likely manufactured in the mid to late 1990s. And they, because you sent a picture and they think it, Google thinks that this is Florentine leather, but it is definitely soft and supple like the Florentine leather. I don't think it's Florentine leather though, y'all, because it just doesn't 100% feel like Florentine. It feels like maybe like the Toscano line, maybe. Yeah. Someday, Jackie, you need to come over and you need to just feel all my bags and we need to figure out what I have. So this it's definitely the older kind. It has the light pink interior. It has a zipper pocket back here. It has the front small pocket for, now I use it for tissues. It does have the older vintage style key keeper. It has a tag here. This lining does not come out. The inside, let me show you the inside in a second, but let me just look at the tag. Okay, it's the red, white, and blue tag, but it doesn't say made in the USA, so it's probably one, and I can't read the black one there, right there. It's faded. I'm guessing it's China or as well too, or maybe Mexico. I don't know. But look, here's the inside. She is dirty. She's dirty. She's not like super dirty, like not like that other one, but she is dirty. This one right here will give me pause to figure out to wear her. Unfortunately, I'll need to put. I mean, I'd like to clean her before I wear her because it's kind of nasty. But I don't know. And then, yeah, when the linings don't come out, that's when it's really hard. But I couldn't pass this up because I was on a tortoise kick and I like this size. I had gone when I went to visit the Hermes store. I saw a garden party and I was like, you know what? That sort of looks similar to one of the bags that I found. It was a Dooney bag. And this one cost me $97.43 total, tax, title, and license. So let's see if she has corner wear. She has some corner wear there. A little corner wear there. They're all 4 corners. The bottom has some little love things on the bottom, but the body of it, see, that's why I don't think that this is Florentine. I don't think it's Florentine. I think that it is, it feels like that Toscano line, but I'm not like well versed in that one. But oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I can put it in the crook of my arm. What I like about this is that my iPad will be able to fit in this one. I should have done it before I stuck the paper in it. Back out. This will definitely be a good YouTube bag for me. See, my iPad fits perfect in there. Ta-da. So this is the perfect size for my iPad. And whenever I'll take this as a companion bag to whatever I'm carrying to whatever activities, and I'll have my iPad. All right, let's get to the advent calendars. Okay, advent calendars. We have the duckies left. Oh, well, we'll do the duckies and then the hand sanitizer. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I gotta come in and cheat again because these are hard. Okay, here we go. So day 15 is this little guy. Oh, he's an apple. There we go. I can see now. He's an apple. And then day 16. Oh, it's a gingerbread guy, right? I would say gingerbread guy. Day 17. He's maybe a present. Popping his head out of a present. Day, I don't know, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, he's in a stocking. That's cute. 19, last one. And for today. He is in a sack, like a potato sack. That's so funny. Alrighty, so we have the hand sanitizer. We have 2 more left in here, which goes great. It's the only one that's working out. What hand sanitizer do we have? Yeah, I had to give some up to my granddaughter too. She liked it. Oh, Sunshine Lemons. I don't remember getting that one. Ooh, it smells lemony. Oh, wow, that's kind of strong. It does smell citrusy, lemony, but not, it's, yeah. But it's not bad. It's not bad. So if you're not a lemon person, it's not bad. All right, Beanbeauties, thank you so much for coming by. We'll see you on the next DUCKmas, the last one, and then there's still one more coach. All righty, love y'all. Bye-bye.